welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am very excited. You know why? Because I am going to open this new game from our favorite Imagimake called Rescue Quest Green Champions. And to do this, I have my friend Abyan with me. So, Abyan, this game looks so amazing. What do you think?
Yes, Viney, totally. As we get to learn more about preserving our surroundings and the environment, this board game offers great learning experience.
So let's unfold this new, exciting educational game and become a true, proud green champion.
What a way to start our summer holidays!
Yay! In this board game, you get one magnetic board,
40 mystery tokens,
a red discovery lens,
one red spinner,
a whiteboard marker,
and an instructions booklet.
Through Rescue Quest Green Champions, kids will learn about environmental sustainability by engaging in tasks such as recycling, planting trees, and using sustainable transport.
This game focuses on green missions and recycling. Players spin a spinner which lands on different huts, each with a green mission to complete. They use a red discovery lens to reveal hidden waste items on a camp board and then identify and recycle them.
Complete missions and collect stars to track your progress. The player with the most stars at the end of the game wins, becoming the hero who saved Camp Green Champions.
The Green Champions version specifically teaches about environmental issues and green practices.
I won with 40 points! Yay!
Abyan, this is the coolest game ever! We had so much of fun playing this!
Yes, Viney. I look forward to playing it with my grandparents, cousins, even friends.
Do you know what? You have two options to choose: animals and habitats and green champions.
So go grab yours quickly.